job today. You've been doing a really great job throughout the semester. So you actually need to give yourself a round of applause.
Welcome to the 2022 CTAE Showcase Awards ceremony. This is our 4th annual event, and this has been our best event yet, and it is due to all of our wonderful scholars out here working hard in all of our CTAE and this year CSE disciplines. Our administrators, our leadership here at Date, and our CTAE instructors, so let's give them a round of applause. And finally, we want to give special thanks to our sponsors, our partners, all the people that supported us, including Southwire, including the Cobb County Library, including Georgia Tech, Seed in the house back there. And also, we got Georgia State, Keys to the Lexus, that also came to support. So let's give them a special. Mr. McClatty tell us a little bit about the middle school CTAE program and how it has come along.
All right, absolutely. Thank you, Mr. Dodd. I just really wanted to say this opportunity that the students have could not be done without Mr. Dodd and his team. I had a conversation with different admin members just yesterday about the opportunities that our students are given that don't often come up for many students. When I was in school, and when they were in school, I'm guessing, we didn't have a chance to go to an electric car class. We didn't know about digital media. We didn't know about these different things that you all have the access to. So I really want you all to take heed to this. I really want you all to learn from these different activities that you are doing every single day that many students do not have the opportunity or not afforded the opportunity to get. So we are very thankful for all the things. I know as Eagles, that's what we do, right?
Yeah. First off, everybody that is here usually knows how I like to do things. Congratulations on working hard and doing what you're supposed to do. Others that help volunteer, thank you for helping and volunteering.
I'm gonna keep it short. I just want to say I'm proud of everybody. You know, I know sometimes I'll try to figure out if we're upset or it's nothing about it. At the end of the day, I'm gonna tell you just like I always tell you in class, and I say this in front of the admin. This is what life looks like. Life is full of rewards when you do what you're supposed to do. So congratulate yourself. You know, give yourself a round of applause.
I want to thank you all for doing such an excellent job today. I know this is something new for you all. With that being said, all of you, Naomi, Jeremiah, come on up. Michael, come on up. The interviews, follow directions, been a great team leader, especially on the digital media stuff. Being a good director, producer, handling things, and making sure that...
And find my passion, so thank you.
So, I never really paid attention to entrepreneurship. Where my father's an entrepreneur, and he would always try to like give me these lessons in like his car, and I would like always brush it off because like I didn't really appreciate it. But when I went to CTAE and Mr. Andrew started talking about it, that's when I really started paying attention to it and how much it can benefit me in life.
Well, for the CTAE in Mr. Andrews' class, I created my own business plan, so now I know how to set up my business if I want to in the future.
I future careers as well, and being a filmmaker and photographer, videographer. And I learned about cameras and all that.
I wanted to learn animation for a while now, and now that Mr. Jones taught me a few weeks ago, like the easier steps to start doing animation, and I was really happy when he taught me how to do that.
Animation, I'm really into like cartoons and anime and stuff, so when Mr. Jones and Mr. Andrew taught me about animating a lot of stuff, I've usually go at home and just draw out characters and stuff, so when I animate I can put those characters into Blender and start animating.